If you want your children to make the best of their summer vacations, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Neha Chetan, founder of Peak Achievers, a personal success training company. With the summer vacations ahead, what do you intend to do for your children? Although vacations are meant to be spent doing nothing in a very general context, there are still certain things that you can do to make the most of these 2 months. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite ways of doing it. All you will need is 5 to 10 minutes of initial planning. You don't even have to reschedule your vacation plans for this. So the first step you will do is pick up a theme. The theme can be based on something that you want your children to learn or experience. For example, if you want to introduce your children to reading novels, then novel reading can be a theme. Or if you want your teenager to learn his responsibilities, then responsibility can become the theme. Now, once the theme is chosen, the next step you will do is communicate this to your children. Communication can be done in 2 ways. Make it verbal and visual. Verbal as in talking to your child about it, and visual meaning you will write the theme on a chart sheet and stick it on the wall in your children's bedroom. Now once you tell this to your children, the next step is the very obvious one, which is the implementation. Time duration for the implementation depends on what theme you have chosen. If it is about novel reading, it might take about 30 to 60 minutes per day. And if it is about responsibility, and if you're choosing folding laundry as your child's responsibility, that might take about 2 to 5 minutes per day. And when you're doing this, make sure you keep it simple and have fun. Don't stress too much. Do let us know what theme you've chosen in the comment section below. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy vacations. I'll see you soon.